आज हम कुछ आईएमपी क्वेश्चन परीक्षा की दृष्टि से अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशंस के पढ़ेंगे। यहाँ पर कुछ फार्मूलेज थे जो आपको पहले से मालूम होना चाहिए कि nth टर्म का फार्मूला ए एन इक्वल्स टू ए प्लस एन माइनस वन इंटू डी है। वेयर इज द ए इज द फर्स्ट टर्म एंड डी इज द कॉमन डिफरेंस, ए एन इज द nth टर्म। फ्रॉम द अगर लास्ट एंड टर्म निकालना है आपको, कोई सी भी लास्ट से 5वीं टर्म लास्ट से 50वीं टर्म अगर निकालना है तो उसके लिए फार्मूला होता है ए एन इक्वल्स टू एल माइनस एन माइनस वन इंटू डी हो जाता है। मतलब फर्स्ट टर्म की प्लेस पे क्या हो जाता है, यहाँ पे एल हो जाता है। यदि हम एपी सीरीज की बात करते हैं तो एपी सीरीज जो बनती होती है ए प्लस डी ए प्लस 2d ए प्लस 3d एंड लास्ट टर्म जो बन जाती है ए प्लस एन माइनस वन इंटू डी कंप्लीट हो जाती है। ए बी सी देयर आर द 3 टर्म्स, then the mean is equals to the b equals to a plus c upon 2 is called the mean, arithmetic mean. Sum of a nth term यदि निकालना है, where is the a is the first term and d is the common difference, then the sum of a nth term sn equals to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If the given is the first term and the last term, then the sn equals to n by 2 plus in the bracket first term and last term, that is also the summation of a formula. Now we have started the some questions which are related to the arithmetic progressions. We are studying today the 10 questions. Each question has the marks 2. So now we have the first questions. Find the value of a A25 minus A15 in the AP of a 6, 9, 12 and 15. First we have seen in the series, so we have the first term a equals to 6 and d is the common difference, which is the 9 minus 6 is equals to the 3 and 12 minus 9 is equals to also 3 and 15 minus 12 is also the 3. That means the common difference is equals to the 3. Now we have using the formula of a 25th term and the 15th term, because we have a nth term formula is the a plus n minus 1 into d. That means the one term is the less than into multiply by the d. So 25th term is equal to the a plus 24th d and 15th term a plus 14d. Open the bracket and solve it. Then a and is cancel and 24d minus 14d. 24 minus 14 is equal to 10d and d is the common difference is the 3. So putting the value of a d, then find the value of a 10, 3 is 30. So answer will be the 30. In question number 2, the 7th time of a 7th term in a AP is equals to the 5 time of a 5th term, then find the value of a 12th term. According to the question, 7 time of a 7th term and 5 time of a 5th term, then we can solve is 6, 7 minus 1 equals to 6d and 5 minus 1 equals to 4d and multiply the 7a and 6 7 is 42d and 5a and 5 4 is 20d. All terms is the one side taken, then 7a minus का 5a 42d minus का 20d and solve it. 7 minus का 5 equals to 2a and 22d dividing by 2, because that is the equation is divide by 2 easily. So we have a plus 11d equals to 0. But it is the 12th term. So 12th term is equals to also the 0. That means we have answered the 12th term is equals to always 0 in these questions. In question number 3, which term of a AP the 27, 24, 21 is a zeros? That means the last term is the 0 and first term is the 27 and common difference 24 minus 27 is equals to minus ka 3 and 21 minus 24 is also minus ka 3. That means the common difference is the minus 3. So using the formula of an nth term, a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 0, a is equals to 27, n is equals to you can find, and d is equals to minus 3, and the nth term, because the last term we have the zeros equals to the 0 and 27 transfer to the other direction. So minus sign minus से minus cancel होगा, 3 से divide करेंगे कितना जाएगा 9 and 9 plus 1 equals to 10. That means the 10th term is always zeros. Next question 4. In the AP, d is equals to minus 4, n equals to 7, a n equals to 4. Then find the value of a first term. A n, that means n equals to 7. So 7th term equals to 4. That means the 7th term a plus 6d equals to the 4. Putting the value of a d equals to minus 4, 6, 4 is minus 24 and 24 plus 4 equals to a equals to 28. That means the first term is equals to 28. In a question number 5, find the 20th term in the last, from the last, if the series is the 3, 8 and 253. The first term is the a equals to 3 and common difference is equals to the 3. From the last term, अगर लास्ट टर्म से बात करते हैं तो उल्टी सीरीज लिखना शुरू करते हैं, तो उल्टी सीरीज में क्या हो जाएगा, 253 आपकी फर्स्ट टर्म बन जाएगी, कॉमन डिफरेंस आपका माइनस में आ जाएगा. अब आपको लास्ट से निकालना है तो फार्मूला यूज वही पुराना वाला a प्लस एन माइनस 1 इंटू डी, लेकिन लास्ट होने की वजह से आपका d का साइन चेंज हो गया है और a की जगह पे आपका लास्ट टर्म आ चुका है. सो यूजिंग द फार्मूला ऑफ 253 प्लस 20th टर्म है, सो 19 प्लस का d इंटू डी माइनस का 5, 19 5 जा 95 एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम द 253 एंड गेट द 158 इज द 20th term. So the 20th term from the last is equals to 150. If the 7th time of a 7th term in a AP is equals to the 11th time of a 11th term, then find the 18th term. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में आपको ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन में भी आ सकता है, बिल्कुल शॉर्ट में कि 7 टाइम्स 7 है, 11 टाइम 11, इन दोनों का प्लस कितना होगा, सो ऑलवेज विल बी द आंसर इक्वल्स टू द 0. In before questions we have also the same. So in the 7th time, in this questions the 7th time of a 7th term, 11th time of a 11th term, putting the value of a 7th term and the 11th term and solve it. So 7 and the 7 6 is 42, 11a and 110d and transfer to the another direction, one direction, a and a is the one side. So 11a minus 7a, a equals to 4a and this minus this equals to 468. Divide by 4 easily. So divide by 4 and get the a plus 17d equals to 0. Okay. That means 18 term equals to 0. Okay. Question number 7 is the how many two digits number are divided by 3. We know that the lowest two digit number is the 10, 11, 12, 13, but divided by 3 is the lowest term is the 12 and highest term of 99. So we have a number between the 12 and the 99 and increasing the 3 and get the series. So a equals to the 12 and d equals to 3 and last term tn equals to 99. Into the formula a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 99, putting the value of a and d and solve it. Get the 87, divide by 3, n minus 1 equals to 29 and 1 is transferred to the another direction, then n equals to 30. Therefore the 30 number of two digits which are divided by 3 is your complete answer. Question number 8. Find the natural number between the 102 and the 998 which are divided by the 2 and 5 both. जब 2 और 5 दोनों से डिवाइड करना, 2 and 5 दोनों से डिवाइड करना, दैट मीन्स 2 and 5 का मल्टीपल अर्थात 10 से डिवाइड करना है. 10 से डिवाइड करने के लिए द लास्ट डिजिट विल बी द 0. सो 10 से डिवाइड वाले नंबर्स कौन कौन से हो जाएंगे, 102 के, और इसके बीच में कितने हो जाएंगे, देयर आर द 110, 120, 130, 140 अप टू 9990 तक आपका पास ये आपके पास एक सीरीज तैयार हो चुकी है. अब आपको नेचुरल नंबर्स निकालना है, कितने हैं. सो ए इक्वल टू आपके पास 110 एंड डी इज इक्वल टू द 10 एंड द लास्ट टर्म इक्वल टू दिस यूजिंग द फार्मूला ऑफ nth टर्म a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी इक्वल टू 990 and solve it, subtract and get the 880 divided by 10 and so 88 and plus 1 equals to 89. That means the number of term is divided by 2 and 5 both is equals to the 89. In question number 9, so that a minus b whole square and a square plus b square and a plus b whole square in a AP. How can we show that these are number are the in a AP? There are the two methods. If you can get the difference of between two numbers as the same, then also the AP. Otherwise arithmetic mean, that means first number and last number adding and divide by 2 and get the middle term. It is also the method of a check in AP. So now we have using to the difference method. So in the series is given the common difference, so t2 minus d equals to t2 minus ka t1. t2 that means a plus a square plus b square minus a minus b ka whole square, open the bracket and cancelling, then you get 2ab. Now again you check the t3 minus t2, t3 minus ka t2, open the bracket and using to the formulas and get the 2ab. Both are the same. That means we have can say the first and second equations, the common difference is the same. That means the given series in AP hence proof. Which term of a AP is the 3, 15, 27 and 39 dash 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 will be the 120 more than it of a 21th term. That means the nth term is the 120 more than 21 term. अपने को मालूम नहीं कौन सी टर्म निकालना, तो माना कि nth टर्म है, तो nth टर्म जो है ना 120 more than the 21th term according to the question. Using the series and get the a equals to 3 and d equals to the 12. So putting the values tn का formula, using the formula of a tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, 120 and 21th term, so a plus 20d. A and a cancelling both side and putting the value of a d in this place. D is the 2. Divide by 12 term easily. Then we have divide by 12 and n minus 1 divide by 12, so get the 10 and divide by 12 get the 20. 20 plus 10 equals to the 30 and 1 is transferred to the another direction. That means number of term n equals to the 30. Therefore 31th term is the 120 more than 21th term. I hope you are understood my all questions, and I give to the second part of arithmetic progressions some time after. If you are not subscribed my channel, then you subscribe and share to the more than students, because your paper is going on 5th May. Best of luck for you. Many thanks.